Hey guys, Rich Pacini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Tonight, I want to share some stuff with you guys, and I'm going to try to keep this video brief and short as possible. First off, like that old saying goes, the people have spoken. I've been looking at some of the YouTube shorts I've done today, well, past couple days, and I always look at the analytics on those videos. And I have to honestly say, it seems like quite a bit of people like when I do the shorts, and they like when I put out information about YouTube. And I can understand, you may be a new YouTuber, or you may be thinking about starting a YouTube channel, and and I think you like the videos I put out. At least I hope so. So, I just want to give a big thank you to all the new subscribers out there that recently subscribed to my YouTube channel. There was one point where I felt like my channel was just stagnating, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. I talked about this once before in one of my other videos about the subscriber base going up and down. And for you new YouTubers out there that are maybe experiencing the same thing, I could just save you the time and trouble with it. I had called, through chat, the YouTube support, and I inquired about it because, I'm not saying my channel is growing in leaps and bounds, but I was very concerned when I started, seeing a fluctuation in subscribers. I gain a couple, like let's say 3, and I lose 4, or I gain 4 and I lose 2 or 3, so on and so forth. It's like the stock market. And they told, from what I was told, that they get rid of spam accounts, inactive accounts, and stuff like that, something along that line. And I questioned them. I said, "Well, can I ask you a question?" To the YouTube support person. I said, "Did you guys remove any, subscribers from my YouTube channel?" And they told me, "Yeah, we have." And he said they're inactive accounts, and that's when he gave me that other stuff there. If inactive accounts, spam accounts, whatever. And I said, okay, I was just curious, And he says sometimes what happens is there are people that are potential subscribers, or they subscribe, they either hit the button, they knocked it, or they didn't hit it right, whatever. There's something along that line. To be truthfully honest with you, when I looked at my analytics, I think they said there was about 5,000 or 5,600 people that didn't subscribe to my channel. So my channel would have been a lot more if they hit that subscribe button. Right now I have, thanks to you guys, at there 1,327, and but there are subscribers out there according to YouTube Analytics that I think it's 5,600 that haven't subscribed. It says, because when you look at analytics, it says not subscribed, and that's the number I came up with. So, if there are people out there that like me as a content creator and like the content I put out, I would hope that you guys, it'd be nice if 4,000 or 5,000 of you out there could hit that subscribe button and let this channel grow. That would be really greatly appreciated. But I want to share some other stuff with you guys really quick. This is my homepage, as you can see here. Okay, online resale entrepreneur vlogger, help inspire and share. For those who are new, for the new YouTubers out there. So I just want to say, but some of the shorts I have here, these are the YouTube shorts. Oh, no, not all of them. No, these are not all the YouTube shorts, but right over here they are. But I was looking at quite a bit of the new videos I put out, and I've been getting some subscribers from it. So I just want to say, I just want to say thank you. You don't know what it means to me as a YouTube creator. I've been on this platform, just to let you guys know, since 2013. And if you ever want to find out, you want to look up a YouTuber, you could just go over here, go to Social Blade, and you click it on, and it'll give you all the information, the channel type, when the user created, which is July 27, 2013, how many uploads I have, 1,796, and that's how many subscribers I have so far. So the channel is growing slowly but surely, thanks to you guys. I have to keep saying it. Thank you again. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel wouldn't be where it is today. Not that I'm saying, I got 500,000 subscribers or anything, but thanks to you guys. I mean, I can't express that enough. And the other thing is, what I want to show you back here, again on my homepage, right over here is vidIQ. Okay, and this is I really want to share with you. I put it on Twitter so in case you guys can see it, and it really makes me happy to see this, to share it with you guys, especially to the new YouTubers. Check this out. When you click on this little trophy over here, look what pops up. I got hit 750,000 views. Okay, I'm on my way to hitting 1 million views. So I need another 250,000 more, and I'm there. So if I could ever happen, if I could achieve that, that would be great. You know, I mean, I would love to have 1 million subscribers, but 1 million views is just as good. So this is what that little trophy is, in case you guys are wondering. Whenever you see it, if you subscribe to vidIQ, here's TubeBuddy over here. But whenever you see the little trophy over here, that little trophy, and you click it on, it'll give you your latest achievements. And it says you reached 750K, you know, view now. And if you click it on there, this is what it comes up with. I don't think it makes it bigger. Does it make it bigger? I guess no. Then you could share it. Yeah, then you could download it and you could save it, whatever. And then they have the share features here, where if you want to share it on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, which I did, all three. The other things I want to share with you really quick, I don't want to talk about me all together here. When I said, like I said, when I get new information, again, if you're new, I'm going to put out new information when it becomes readily available to me. This came out today. At least I received it today. It's from YouTube Creators. That's their YouTube channel right there. You can see they got 6.5 million subscribers. Really good information. They're coming out. I don't want to play because I don't want to get community guideline strikes on it. But they have over here. It's going to be called YouTube Create. Now I was trying to download it on it, so I read it. It says it's for Android. So when you click it on, when you click the link, if you click on more, if you want to find out more about for you guys out there that have Androids, I think it's going to work for you because it deals, from what I read here, it's for the Android. Let's see if I can see that there again, just where it says that there. It says the YouTube Create app lets you easily create, edit videos. The demo video is about 5 minutes long. If you guys want to check it out, I'll drop the link below so you guys could check this out on your own. But it said something about the for the Android phone, because I tried it. And anyway, when you click it on, it brings you to this window here. And this is where I think where it says right over here, it's for Android. Let me see, am I right here? I'm sorry, guys. Don't mind me, it's getting a little late. I'm getting tired here. But it's, if I understand, this is for the Android right now. Okay. I messaged back over here. I left a thing there. It'd be nice. Let's see if we go back. You see my comment. I was at the comedy stand. I love YouTube. Yeah, I wrote over here. It is right here. Richard J. Bassini. I wrote over here. Thank you for sharing this information with us. It's greatly appreciated. I can't wait for it to be available on iOS. Because I got the iPhone. I was so happy to get it. If you see the video, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's pretty cool. I love YouTube. I love anything YouTube. So I thought it pretty cool. But when you click on the link, it'll bring it to here. And when I clicked it on, right, I didn't know. I thought, hey, you can get it for the desktop or whatever. I clicked it on. This message popped up. It says this Google account is not yet associated with this device. Please access the Store app on your device before installing. Learn more. And then when you click on more, another window, it brings you to this. It hyperlinks you to Google Play Help. And then it'll tell you over here, all right, you have an access to Google Play Store account. But the way I understand it, see, it says right over here, this error appears when you're trying to install an Android app on your computer. So that's what I meant to say. It's for the Android. That from what I'm seeing here. So that's what I want to share with you guys. And that's basically it, guys. That's basically it. So I'm going to drop the link for this here. And just check it out. It's only 5 minutes. You'll get an idea what the YouTube Create is going to be all about. I know they have YouTube video, whatever, the studio thing there. And they got also the one where you want to create a short. On mine, because I hit the thresholds for 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. They have it where you could do video. You do a video, a short, and go live on it. Okay, so But I never really went live on it. I don't know, maybe people watch it. Probably get 2 people watch my videos. So I never went live. I don't know. For some reason, I'm a little standoffish on that. I don't know if I want to actually go live. It'd be pretty cool, I guess, to interact with the people who subscribe to my channel. But I don't feel ready for it yet. I don't know why. I mean, eventually I'm gonna have to try it out. But maybe one day it will go live. But you could also do it on, like I have my iPhone here charging up. I can go live on my iPhone as well as desktop. But anyway, listen, like I said earlier, I don't want this video to be too long, so I just wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope you guys like the content I put out. And the most important thing is, folks, that you get a takeaway from the videos I put out. I got a lot of stuff I want to share with you guys. I was talking to a relative really quick, and it was saying, like, you know, how many videos do you want to do a day? Because I'm trying to get 2,000 videos before the new year. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. I think I need about 202 more or something like that to hit that 2,000 mark there. I wish I could get 2,000 subscribers, but hey, gotta take what I can get, right? So I was talking to a relative, and it was saying, like, so what do you talk about every day? The hardest part for me as a YouTube creator is coming up with new content. And it's a challenge, folks. It really is. But the thing is, consistency is key. A lot of YouTubers, I'm sure, they'll pass that on to you. It is. You know, coming out with videos, if you could, on a daily basis, or maybe a couple videos a week, whatever. I try to do 2 a day. Sometimes it can be less. It depends on my schedule if something comes up throughout the course of the day. But I always try to do at least 2 a day, especially if you're a newbie. When it comes to creating videos, 5 things. I know people say, "Oh, here we go again." I know the 5 things, but this is for the newbies, so you can understand that. 1, when it comes to creating videos for your new YouTube channel, okay. 1, keep it real. 2, keep it original. 3, let your channel grow organically, right? 4, good titles, and number 5, thumbnails. If you do those 5 things, your channel will grow. It may not grow in leaps and bounds, but it definitely will grow. Believe me, I know firsthand because it's working for me. And if it's working for me, I'm a little YouTuber. I'm sure it's going to work for you guys. So, you know, I wish you guys all the best too. That's another thing too. I wish you guys, all the new YouTubers out there that are coming aboard and joining the YouTube community and the YouTube world, whatever you want to call it. I am wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best of success. Don't listen to the naysayers. You guys can do this. I know you can. I'm here. I'm here to cheer you on. I know you can do it, and I want to see you guys put out videos. And if you ever want to drop a link and share with us and say, "Hey, I put a video out. Here's the link you want to check out," I would be more than happy to check it out, folks. Okay, that's it. I'm going to end this video. I just want to say this. If you like my videos or any of my videos, if you check them out, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, great night, wherever you are. And bye-bye for now.